Hello everybody and welcome to yet another amazing episode of FYI with Crystal. First of all, a very happy new year to everybody. This is the year 2020 and I can guarantee you that it's going to be an amazing year. And if there's one piece of advice I would give you, it would be that you should ensure that you live every single day intentionally. Drink a lot of water and mind your business, because that's exactly what I'm doing. And as you can see, it's working wonders for me. So today we're going to be talking on something pretty much fundamental, something that everybody at one point or the other has had to deal with, and it's become a problem in society. But thanks to us over here, we're preparing solutions today, and hopefully after today, it's not going to be a problem anymore. Body odor. Yeah, you heard me. Body odor. FYI, not odor. Odor. Okay? Yeah. Alright, thank you. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Body odor. Very important. Do you realize, and I'm talking to the men right now, do you realize that the way you smell is a reflection of who you are? Think about it for a second. Now, have you been one of those people who steps into a place and then everybody kind of like, you know what I mean? So you step into a taxi and they're looking for the nearest window and trying to put their nostril out as though they're really saying hi to somebody out there. But they are not trying to do that. You're the problem. Or have you stepped into a room and then everybody just like, what is going on? This is 2020, we say no to that. We say no to foul smell. So now we're going to be giving 4 modes of advice and we'll talk about 4 places that have stemmed as a problem through the period. Number 1, the underarms. What do you do about your underarm? If you feel, all of a sudden there's a foul smell and you want to get rid of it, what do you do? I'm going to be giving you a little piece of advice right now. First of all, ensure that it's hair-free. Get rid of all the pubes. Not everybody is built to have pubes, okay? Underarm hair, get rid of all of it, okay? Now, it's either you could use something that takes away all the hair, like a hair remover, or you could use a shaving stick. But if you're someone like me who neither of that works for, you might want to use a pair of scissors and just gently trim. And make sure you trim it to the barest minimum, okay? And then ensure that that scissors is kept in your private area. Don't keep it in your kitchen. Don't keep it in your toolbox. Keep it in the private area because it's for private stuff. You get what I mean? Now, maybe you also want to look at your shower routine. How often do you have a shower every day? Do you just have a shower once and then just jump out? And then do you just have a shower or do you take a shower? Now, going forward, we're going to need everybody to always take a shower. Like, be intentional about having a bath, okay? Ensure that you scrub everywhere, like scrub thoroughly, okay? And then you might want to change your routine. If you shower once a day, shower before you go out, shower after work. And then if you're somebody who goes to the gym often, you might want to have a post-gym shower as well. Just to ensure that you're always dry and there's no much, moist and all of that stuff around you. You want to be clean all the time. And then, for your body wash, you might not want to stop using the regular soap. You might want to use a body scrub that has a double impact as well. And then look at your label and make sure that whatever product it is you're using has some little zinc in it, as well as your deodorant, because zinc has a capacity of absorbing moisture, and that works best, okay? If you've done all of this and the problem still persists, my brother, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm just joking. You might have to see a doctor because there's prescriptions for it. No, really, no shame. There are actually prescriptions for stuff like this, okay? So the doctor would give you a prescription which would help, with all of that, because, going forward from this year, no more of that. Number 2, your scalp and your hair. Do you sometimes get out of the shower and you notice that your hair still has some sort of funny smell? And you wonder, but I just had a shower, so why does my hair smell so bad? Well, don't be perplexed about it. Chances are that most likely it's a harmless bacteria that is a problem, and all you need to do is take care of it, okay? Then again, all you might want to do is ensure that your shampooing is done more thoroughly, okay? Don't just shampoo your hair, but ensure that the lathering is really done generously. Come on, you bought it to use, so use it properly and ensure that there's a lot of lather, okay? A lot of lather in your hair. Don't hold back, this is for you, okay? Don't hold back. And then, when you go to the store to buy that shampoo, try to look at the composition. Turn it back, turn it around, look at the composition, ensure that it has sulfur in it. Also ensure that there's some zinc in it because it's really good at absorbing moist and all of that stuff from the hair, okay? And then, if you find out that you're probably on locks or your hair is long, you might want to avoid hair conditioning. It doesn't work for everybody, especially the leave-in hair conditioning. It doesn't work for everybody. So once you use a shampoo and your hair is all good, if you really must condition, especially if you're carrying locks, just condition the tips of it, okay? The tips. Not don't allow it go into your scalp because it will dry up and cause something funny to start to smell. And we don't want these smells around, do we? Alright. Okay, you hit me up with that hey and I'm like, oh my god, bad breath. This year, we're not gonna be taking that anymore, okay? There's a simple method of avoiding bad breath. Very, very simple. Okay? Get the surface like a paper, hold it against your face and do the breath hits you back. Immediately you know whether or not your mouth smells. I mean, everybody wakes up with some morning breath. Everybody wakes up with some morning breath. I was just joking. Okay, so other than the morning breath, once you've washed your mouth, okay, before you have your shower, and try to ensure in every hour or two that you check your breath. You don't want to go for that board meeting and everybody is talking to you. Come on, it's really embarrassing. A lot of us don't know how to even tell you because it's such an embarrassing thing to say. Imagine you come to say, hey bro, what's up? Your mouth, they smell. Come on. That makes no sense. I don't know how to even start, okay? But just do that simple test, okay? Just smell hits you back and immediately you will know whether or not you have an issue with bad breath. So all you simply want to do is see a dentist, okay? Go see a dentist. You're going to know exactly what to do, okay? And get rid of it because most times this smell is caused by food residues that are left in your mouth immediately after eating. Another thing you want to do is ensure that you have a floss. Another thing you floss regularly. Another thing you want to do is ensure that you have a tongue scraper, okay? To ensure that your tongue is well scraped out. And then, very importantly, you want to have mouthwash. Something like Listerine. I like to use Listerine because it smells really good and it tastes good. It has a good aftertaste as well. And it's very good at taking off all the extra bacteria from your mouth. Okay? Thank you so much. And finally, we come to the fourth point. That smell over here. You know what I'm talking about. That region. All the boys. I mean, it's common knowledge that every guy has his signature smell. I mean, so the research said, every guy has a signature smell down there, okay? But what happens when you notice that your signature smell becomes very delicious? What do you do? Okay, these are the pieces of advice I'm going to give you. Number one, ensure that you get rid of all the pubes. Just like I said in the first points I gave, you might want to get rid of all the hair. So either you're going to be using the shaving stick, the hair remover, or you simply just trim. Okay? Ensure that you get rid of all the pubes, okay? Ensure that your underwear is 100% cotton. Why? Because cotton usually absorbs all the moist, okay? So ensure, no polyester, please don't come around us with polyester. 100% cotton. Invest in good underwear and you'll be glad that you did. Now, even after you have a shower, okay? Don't just wipe your body, ensure it's dry, like dry, okay? You know what I mean? Scrub everywhere. You need to do some lifting and please make sure it's dry. Okay, you want to keep it dry and comfortable around there. Okay, so there's no moisture and all of that stuff that might, accumulate if we lead to bad odor. Okay, and then if the need arises, if you're one of those people who really perspires a lot, you might want to use a little baby powder, just a little, just to add it here and there, just to make sure that everywhere is dry and smooth. Okay, if you try all of this and it doesn't work. For the most part, I think it will work, but if it doesn't work, my brother, you need to see a doctor. Prescription pills available, seriously, they are. I'm not being shady, but they are prescription pills available. All the ladies might feel I'm just talking to all the guys, but no, that's not the case. I'm talking to everybody because every woman has a man in your life. Whether it's your son, whether it's your husband, whether it's your boyfriend, whether it's your fiance, there's a man in your life. Maybe it's your brother, perhaps. And we all want the men in our lives to come up looking good all the time and represent properly. Okay? So this is to everybody out there. Alright, so I'm glad. I hope you enjoyed this episode today. I hope it was really informative as well as educative. Remember, follow us on all of our handles down below. And if there's particular, topic you want us to talk about or advise you on, feel very free to comment in the comment section down below. We're definitely going to read it and see how we can make a video that will help you. Remember, over here, we prefer solutions. That's all we do, and it's always going to be a pleasure. I'm your boy Crystal. Thank you for watching. Remember, make somebody smile today because it costs you nothing.